Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're doing today is I've got the Barstool go-kart out here. This was kind of a pre-YouTube project, and it was an interesting build. I had fun with it and messed with it a lot, you know, just like every other project when you first got it going, but after a while it's been setting. So one of the things that goes wrong is you always seem to leave a little bit of fuel in that tank, and that fuel is going to get nasty and contaminate everything. What I'm doing is I'm using a technique that Road King used, similar to putting a fuel tank to his garden tractor wheel and riding around with that. This, I've got a little different spin, but kind of the same end result. So let me show you what I'm going to do here, and let's see what you think. Well, this is the rock I've been using. It's crushed granite. What I'm trying to do is trying to get the tank tilted so you can see inside the tank after I got done. That thing was just thick with that old varnish, and between those rocks and that acetone, that got it cleared up. Well, we got the engine all put back together, and while I was at it, I went ahead and replaced that fuel line. It looks kind of shot, and anyway, I got some good old made in who knows where fuel line 3/16 at the parts store. So anyway, hopefully it'll last as long as the old fuel line did. Well, here now we've got it off of the bench now, and I put some fuel in it, and I'm going to see how many pull cranks it takes to see before it fires up. So wish me luck. Well, after I figured out which way was choke and which way wasn't choke, I believe it's going to crank now. Well, I tell you what, that was fun getting it going again, and that thing goes just fast enough to get a fella hurt pretty bad. So not lean on that throttle too much, but that thing, it'll get up and go pretty good. We got the 6.5 horse Barstool go-kart. It's out ready for terrorizing the streets once more. So anyway, as always, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.